Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss The Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Gemini, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Ito ang inyong energy update for October 1 to 15, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your sun, moon, rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, Gemini. Let's see what's up. What's up for you? Okay, we have the Knight of Pentacles. You are ready. You are establishing financial stability right now. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring naka-recover na kayo from some challenges in your finances. And now, things are getting back to normal. Okay? You have the 5 of Wands. And then the 9 of Cups. I feel like you are more competitive right now when it comes to your career. It seems na you are focusing on establishing good connections with other people. And also, it seems na you are challenging yourself more. Kumbaga, ikaw rin mismo yung nagsiset ng standard sa sarili mo na I want to be better than yesterday. Kumbaga. And with the 9 of Cups here, whatever this is that you are working on, no? Parang let's say for example, parang merong labanan. Oo. It's like a game. Tapos sumali ka doon and you did your best para manalo. And then, yes, ikaw yung nanalo with the 9 of Cups. This is fulfillment. It seems that pinagtrabahuhan mo talaga to. You really worked hard for this. And you fought for this. Pinaglaban mo talaga. So, what is the Knight of Pentacles? You have the Queen of Pentacles, financial stability, financial security. Some of you merong upgrade ngayong first half ng October. This can be upgrade in your lifestyle, upgrade in your mga material things, resources. So, yung tipong dati may motor ka, ngayong October, first half, magkakaroon ka na ng 4 wheels, no? Kotse, ganyan. It's like a lifestyle upgrade for you. Okay? Much, much better than before. You're getting the things that you need. Kumbaga parang you are providing for what you need. Kumbaga more than enough. Yan. 7 of Pentacles. I think meron kang inaalagaan ngayon. Inaalagaan mo yung can be your attendance, can be your performance sa trabaho, sa career mo, or yung mga investments mo. Kumbaga, very active ka sa pag-aalaga nun. Kasi gusto mo na protektado. Bantay na bantay mo. Halimbawa, nasa stock market ka, no? Bantay na bantay mo yung galaw ng stock market. Yung pagtaas, pagbaba ng value ng stocks. Yung mga ganon. Or even yung mga cryptocurrencies. What is the 9 of Cups? 8 of Swords. Yes. I feel like there's freedom coming in sa'yo. yung mga bagay na hindi mo magawa in the past, ngayong October, you are finally coming out in the open to finally do it, to free yourself. So I think yung mga limitations mo na yan, tinatanggal mo na yan sa sarili mo. Yung mga hindi ko kaya, ngayong October, kaya mo na. Kasi iba sa inyo, nakikinig sa mga sinasabi ng ibang tao na, oh, hindi mo kaya yan. Ngayon, alam mo na sa sarili mo na kaya mo. O, diba? Challenge yourself to do what you think you can't. Ay, we were talking about challenging yourself kanina, no? With the 5 of Wands. Yes, sa career mo, you're going to challenge yourself to do what you think you can't. Akala mo hindi mo kaya, pero kaya mo. Paano mo malalaman na hindi na kaya mo kung hindi mo susubukan, 'di ba? So sa trabaho, sa career, sa finances, meron kang susubukan. I-challenge mo yung sarili mo. You may be working with some people, may tutulong sa'yo. And maaari ring merong business opportunities for you eh. Some of you are good in communication, nasa social media, you use your voice to earn money. Meron kang talent sa communications field. You're being more authentic. Okay? Yung pagiging totoo mo, yan yung magdadala sa'yo sa success. Kaya nga, you are finally coming out of your shell, being true to yourself. You have the 10 of Wands, a lot of work, a lot of opportunities, a lot of responsibilities. With the Hierophant, yung iba sa inyo, maaaring magkakaroon kayo ng mas mataas na posisyon sa trabaho, especially in training, in mentorship, coaching, to share your skills. Sa career, alam medyo medyo mabigat. Okay? Kaya nga, challenge yourself eh. So, you're going to challenge yourself. This can be mentally draining and physically draining para sa inyo, Gemini. Pero, kaya nyo. Okay? Lalo na kung meron kayong i-involve na tao na magbibigay sa inyo ng inspiration, magbibigay sa inyo ng mga tips, or someone that will give you advice, encouragement sa trabaho. Can be your boss or someone that you look up to. So, sa relationship, you have manifest, chance, and separation. Okay. Some of you, maaring, yung isang relationship ninyo, yung relationship niyo na nagkabalikan, inayos, pwedeng ito ay mauuwi talaga sa hiwalayan. Hindi naman para sa lahat, but may ganon. Even if you're trying to make things work, this may lead to separation. See, 9 of Wands, you are trying to make things work. Parang ikaw lang nag-e-effort dito sa relationship na to. Ito yung tipong nakikinig ng mga subliminals, may mga ginagawa ka pang mga spells for this person. Minamanifest mo. Oh my God. Oh, 5 of Swords. Oh my God. Gemini, see? 3 of Swords. Wala. Ito ay talagang mauuwi sa hiwalayan, breakup. A lot of disappointments sa taong to. Ito yung tipong nanlamang sa'yo talaga. Sinubukan mong ayusin, ilaban, pero ikaw na lang yung lumalaban dito sa relationship na to. So, it's time for you to pick up the pieces, stand on your own, and focus on yourself. Kasi alam mo sa sarili mo, nagawa mo na yung best mo eh. Gratitude is the life force of peace. What are you thankful for? Yes, focusing on the things na kailangan mong ipagpasalamat. No? Merong mga challenges, yes. May mga difficult times, yes. But there are also blessings sa'yo na you should be thankful for. You should be grateful for. So, dun ka magfo-focus. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.